Hey guys, so I'm at the train station and I've just gotten an idea right now, and I'm like, why not do a train walk tour real quick? Yes, I'm waiting for the train to come. So when it comes, I think I'm going to be doing a walking tour in the train. Like, yeah, it's just going to be simple, but it just came to my mind right now, and I think I should be doing it, right? So let's wait for the train to come. I think we are remaining with only 2 minutes. If you can see on that TV, oh, I don't know how I can't see. So according to the TV, okay, that screen, according to the screen, oh my god, I called it a TV. I can't believe it. So according to the screen, it's telling me that the train wobbler in Dakika Mbili A2K. So I'm only waiting for that. Yes, and I'm going to be starting from the women's cabin. As you can see, if you can read those words, I'm going to be starting from the women's cabin, and then I will tour you around the train, right? Isn't that a great idea? If you like it, please put a red heart in the comment section and tell me that you like the idea and you liked the train tour, yeah? So let's go. First I'll show you the train road. I'm here and I can see the subway. So let me show it. It's there already. They're announcing that it's almost approaching.
The train to Jabalari will arrive at platform 1.
So it's coming, guys. It's coming. You're gonna see when it comes, when it opens the door. It's there. It's going to come. You see, it has come and it's going to open the doors. Yeah, and they are in the train already. You can see other people as they have come in. So we are in the train already. Yes. Tell me you like inside the train, obviously, before even I start giving you a tour around it. So just put that comment down below and tell me you love the train, into the train. You see how it looks. So guys, I think let's begin on the tour real quick, yeah? Actually, before I show you inside the train, I also wanted to show you outside, like where the waiting area, the waiting lobby, though it is called the platform. That is the platform where you wait for the train to come, and on it always has, you can see those arrows, those red arrows. Maybe where you're going, and it can show you whether you're on the right platform or not, because where you're going already shows there bakulaga train jegenda. Then you go back and you look for the right platform of where you're going, and then there are always those things, a map of where you're going, and so every platform, every train station, call that map. You can see that. Yes, it helps you give the right direction so you cannot even get lost. And there is always a lift on every platform. For those who can't use stairs, the lift is already there to help you out. And always there are those stairs. Yeah, in case you don't want to use the lift, or the lift is full, you can use the stairs. And then let's begin with the women cabin. Actually, the train always have 3 cabins. There is a women's cabin, then the normal cabin, and then the gold class cabin. And also on every platform there is always a screen that, if you can see it, that helps you to know the time remaining for the train to arrive. Yes, this is really so nice because the transportation in Dubai is like based on time. Like I'll make a video about transportation, full video in details, and I'll tell you about Dubai transportation. Yes, so let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For new subscribers, you're very, very welcome. Please take a break because this is about to be your home. Yeah guys, so I don't know whether you guys will be able to hear me. I don't have a microphone, but I think you hear me, right? So first things first, I'm in the women's cabin, and when you sit in the women's cabin, there are mirrors. Even though you can be seeing the subway very well, and you can see the views around it. And then there are those things, I don't know how they are called, that's the front, so you can obviously come and live there. Yes. And then there are doors, if you can see, and then there are those handles, and then there is akalangirira, what do you call akalangirira? Akalangirira train station gye mutuuseemu mpaka ne woyina okuviirako. So basically tosobola kugula mu train.
The next station is Energy.
One thing I know about Dubai is rules are rules. Katalala, this cabin is supposed to be for women only. Na ye we bakusanga yongoli musajja. In Dubai, amateeka gakola. Now look here. If they find any man in this cabin, atole emitwalo kumi, fine there and then. You see? You can read that. Yes. And then there are also those screens. Those are advert screens. They've been doing adverts here. And then these are handles. The handles where. Yes, there are stickers that are put on every wall, on the train wall, like on both sides. So when you reach there, you read everything. Like they don't allow smoking, they don't allow, okay, on everything, things you're not supposed to touch. There are always stickers there, so you don't make any mistake. Like they really try communication, like it is so. And there are cameras also, you can see. So basically that's it. The train is very nice and comfortable, apart from when abantu banji they are traveling, there very many people are traveling, you know, you will abantu banji. So basically that's it. Did I say the train has AC? So you guys, the train is well air conditioned. That when you know very well that Dubai is a hot country, so wherever you know you need Chibugumo and everything, and you come and enter the train, just know you will feel that coldness and the fresh air. There are ACs, there are lights, like as you can see everything. Yeah. Any man in this cabin, I told him it will fine there and then. You see, you can read that. Yes. And then there are also those screens. Those are advert screens. They've been doing adverts here. And then these are handles. The handles where you can hold yourself. Basically, that's it. Sorry, Chamani. So let me just keep quiet. And I show you around there. So wasanga camera velo sola view which is very nice and that's fine, but this view is fake. I don't like it. So I left the women's cabin already. I'm in the normal cabin where like both gender can sit. It is so funny. Abasajja tebakirizibwa mu women's cabin, but women are allowed to sit in the normal cabin. And one thing that really makes me happy every time I board a train is men in Dubai are very respected. They are so much respected that when you come in and there are no seats, the man will provide a seat, which is very nice, guys, right? And you can see that those handles, there's everything here, pipes, those are all handles you can touch yourself while you're moving. Kumanga train maji. Hi. So we are in the ordinary cabin. Jendi mukutambuliramu right now. Yes. So we're on the next station, another station. The doors are open, coming in, as you can see.
Doors closing.
almost approaching the gold class cabin, but when I reach there, guys, I'm going to pass there very fast because one, I'm almost reaching the train station where I'm supposed to go out from, and next, they don't allow you to go in the gold class cabin if you're not the gold class person, like if you don't have the gold class metro card. Yes, if they find you there, they give you a fine of 200 dirham aga Uganda. So when I reach that gold class cabin, I'm gonna ita usupidi. Is there anyone else who loves views like me? Like, there are some views that are really so nice. When I'm trying in there, I'm so basically, I'm
الأبواب سوف تفتح من جهة اليمين وهي محطة انتقالية بين الخط الأحمر والمطار.
train station when not Vilamo. I want to go, but I need to show you this cabin for the gold class. Yeah, I want to put demo. So I've gotten out, but I need to show you this gold class cabin. Yeah, all about what you know, this separation here, like this one. What you want. So this is the gold class. Never quite see there no Muganda. Never is on fine. That's how it looks like. Yes. Now I know that screen. It looks like that. Yeah. So guys, follow me on train. I hope you've liked the real quick tour. Kati ndigenda. So guys, that has been the train tour. So I'm going to board another train. Sorry for my English. Nyenda boarding another train. I'm in the train station already. So I'm going somewhere. So I have to go. I'm going to board another train. Yeah, komawo. So nyenda kunya train ndala. Wabo badde kini mweno video so kulomanya wachingenda. So I'm in the train station. I'm in the train station. Okay, let me show you around the train station. So that's how it looks like. That's how a train station looks like. Oh my god. So So guys, that has been the real quick train tour. Thanks for keeping up with me. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell and support me. Thank you so much for watching.